Hi guys, welcome all. Harish from Bangalore. Today I'm going to demonstrate air conditioner which I recently bought. Hot summer days are on. I bought Panasonic Smart AC from Flipkart. It's almost I'm using since past from 1 month. The order was easy and delivery was perfect. Uh, the the people the technicians came and installed it. The installation cost was bit pricey, more bit, but yeah, it's all required. We can't do anything. So just explain this feature smart AC 21 this fits nicely and looks elegant on the room. I bought it 1 ton because the room size is 140 square feet. This is my room size. So this room is quite sufficient. 1 ton AC is quite sufficient. And this 5 star rating. It has a 5 star rating, and it's an AI mode. We can connect to the Wi-Fi mode. That's very good. And they have given one mobile application. That's very nice application. We installed it. I will showcase in some time. So 5 star split inverter, four-way swing. So it's swinging horizontally and vertically. That's the four-way swing. And PM.1 air purification does the air purification also. Okay. And condenser is compressor is fit outside the building. So that's and if I set it in quiet mode, the noise is very less. So that's very nice of that. So okay, so then coming on to the remote, they are given this cute remote off, on. Then there's different modes here as you see here. If you click on mode, cool, auto, cool, dry, fan mode. Okay. So then smart, we can connect to Wi-Fi, air swing, up, down, you can select. Then convertible 7, I will explain this feature. Then fan speed, I can increase, set it for medium, high, low. Okay. So then that's all. Yeah, it works nicely, and I can increase, decrease the temperature. That's the main feature we would want. Okay, so that's about remote. Then now I'm going to explain about this. Okay, the Panasonic has provided one application Mirai app. It supports iPhone, iOS application, iOS app plus we have the Android app. Mirai, the app name is. So the beauty of this application is I can turn it on from my office, my any of the place, right? It just has connected. It has configured to my Wi-Fi, and I can use it from any part of the my home or any part of the place. So the thing is, so as I see here, I can turn it off. The AC turned off. If I go to the only one air conditioner I have in my home, and it has so it shows in here my living room I have configured. So currently it's switched off and it just only the Wi-Fi symbol. I can just click turn on this. It will turn on. Air conditioning is turned on. So it's in cool mode, medium, AC, display, powerful, eco mode, clean, vertical swing, horizontal swing, convertible 7. So then some custom settings. Okay, let me explain one by one feature. So I'm reducing here. It's very quiet, looks very nice. So it was from 24 to 16 degree. I have set it. You can see that it has been set for 16 degrees centigrade. And if you just see there, I'm just controlling from my application. It changes. Okay. So then um, I can change the mode: dry mode, fan mode, auto. I can setting to cool mode. Okay. So then cool mode time fan speed I can set it here high. You can hear the noise. Auto, quiet mode. quiet mode in the night, right, is very nice and doesn't make any noise. The fan speed, okay, nice. Then I'm setting to medium now. So there is a echo mode. In the echo mode, it automatically changes 26 degrees, as you can see. So it has been set to 26 degrees centigrade temperature. So if I turn off this echo mode, go. So then I can again switch it off. Then powerful. If the fan throw is high, powerful air conditioning mode, cool mode. Then this one more beautiful picture. AC display is there right now. If I tap on this, that light temperature light turns off actually. That shows the numbers when the light is very bright. So that's very nice feature. You can turn it off. Then vertical swing like this. It changes actually. Yeah, you can see the vertical swing. Then horizontal also. The it swings horizontal. So you can see horizontal vertical. Then one more nice feature is convertible 7. Okay, this is converting. We can control the modes here. So 40% we can set it up. So it saves the energy power. That's the convertible. 55%, 70%. It consumes less power. So that's how you can use the convertible modes and custom profile, right? If I just click on, you can set it up day temperature, custom nights. I have scheduled like this temperatures. I can